What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another one in today. Single cab Dodge Ram, older Dodge Ram. We're gonna be doing a weld on sunroof. Black suede, black out everything else has already been painted by the previous customer. We're gonna get the top primed up, as usual, on my weld-ons, and we'll go ahead and wrap it in some black suede, which I got back here. Let's go. Single cab. We got the headliner already cut out, and we got the top part marked out. We're gonna cut it out with the jigsaw, and then we'll go ahead and measure our bracket. Bracket's sitting over there, so we can go ahead and sand it down to bare metal. We'll get it up on top, do some measurements, clamp it in place, and then we'll go ahead and tack it. Alright, guys, we got the bracket welded in place, tacked in. We're gonna go ahead and grind down the weld spots, and then we'll fiberglass it, throw a little bit of kitty here, a small amount of Bondo, and we'll get it ready to go. Then we'll install the sunroof. Alright, guys, we got the bracket installed, body work on top. Inside's good. We got the drain tubes on all four corners, ready to go. There's the top. We're gonna install the sunroof now, and then we're gonna go ahead and start wiring it up, install the drain tubes, and then all we have left is the headliner, wrap it, put everything back together. Should be done here in the next couple hours. Alright, guys, we got the sunroof installed, wired up, powered up. That looks badass. Everything's installed. We're just gonna install the headliner. It's cut out. We're gonna pre-fit the headliner just to make sure everything is good, and then we'll go ahead and wrap it. There she is, guys. All done. Came out badass. Perfect. That's it, guys. Dodge Ram, another one done. Another weld on sunroof, came out badass. Customer loved it, his dad loved it. On to the next. We still got a lot of people on the waiting list, and they still keep building up. The time I drop to 3 or 4 tickets, some more pop up. So I appreciate everybody that's been showing support to Rob's Customs. I'm just gonna keep pushing them out one by one, keep pushing the best quality work, the best OEM looking type of work, to where it looks like it's part of it. I'm gonna keep pushing my good work, so that way I can get it to where everybody that loves my work come down and get another one done, or tell a friend. We'll go from there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.